Hello, I'm Tanishka, and this is Aegis, an intent based execution and liquidity protection layer for Deepbook V3 on Sui. The core idea here is to make a single large trade order to disappear into a defended grid that bots cannot see, target, or front run. Everything you'll see here is live on Sui testnet. It is built from scratch during this hackathon. Now let's look at the problem solved by Aegis. On-chain order books are public by design. The moment you submit a large buy order, every bot on the network can see your full size before your transaction even lands on-chain. They immediately jump ahead of you. They push ask prices up, widen the spread, and by the time your order fills, you have paid more than you should have. That extra cost goes straight into the bot's pocket. Deep Book V3 is powerful, but it gives you raw order placement with zero protection. So instead of placing one large visible order, Aegis breaks it into many smaller child orders spread across a price range, weighted by a Gaussian curve, so the biggest allocations land near the best price and smaller ones taper out towards the edges. No bot ever sees your full size at one single price level. All of these child orders are then packed into a single Sui programmable transaction block, a PTB. This is crucial. Deepbook will cancel the entire block if even one order fails. So it is all or nothing. Either your full grade executes or nothing does. A bot cannot pick off individual pieces. And your collateral is managed through Deepbook's balance manager, logged at protocol level, never sitting in a hot wallet. Now, how does Aegis decide how to split the order? That is the job of the risk engine. Before building the grid, Aegis scores the live order book across 5 independent signals, producing a single risk score between 0 and 1. These 5 signals are combined into one composite score with calibrated weights. A score below 0.34 is calm and above 0.67 is hostile. And that score directly drives two things: the number of slices and the width of the price band. Here's the proof of concept. A 750 Sui trade in a toxic market run through a predator simulator that models a front running bot attacking both strategies. A naive market order, one large visible order, suffers 244 basis points of slippage. The bot sees it, moves the market, and the trader pays the price. The same trade through Aegis, 78 basis points. The grid is spread out, the footprint is tiny, and the bot can't target what it can't see in full. That is 166 basis points saved, over 18 USDC on a single trade. This is the Aegis interface, live on Vercel. On the left are the intent controls: trading pair, direction, quantity, maximum slippage, and urgency. On the right is the live risk engine and dual result. I'm going to keep the intent at buying 750 Sui on Sui/DBUSDC with 80 basis points of maximum slippage in a toxic market scenario, the worst conditions. The risk engine scores the book instantly. Volatility is 100%, spread is 100%, imbalance is 55%, thin depth is 76%, and footprint is 100%. The composite score is 85%. Hostile. The planner responds 10 child orders across a 69 basis point price band, each weighted by the Gaussian curve. 10 atomic commands in one PTB. Now look at the dual result. Naive market order 24 244. Risk engine scores the book instantly. Volatility is 100%, spread is 100%, imbalance is 55%, thin depth is 76%, and footprint is 100%. The composite score is 85% hostile. The planner responds 10 child orders across a 69 basis point per price band, each weighted by the Gaussian curve. 10 atomic commands in one PTB. Now look at the dual result. Naive market order is 244 basis points of slippage. Aegis PTB is 78 basis points. That is 166 basis points saved. That means 18.63 USDC on the single trade. Now let me show you the on-chain proof. This is SuiScan, the block explorer for the Sui network. Think of it like Etherscan for Sui. Every transaction that lands on chain is recorded here permanently and publicly, and anyone can verify it. What you are looking at right now is our actual transaction on Sui testnet. The digest, that long string starting with 7HZJ something, is the unique identifier of this transaction. So the status here is success. If you scroll down to the event section, you will see the order placed event. So this order placed event is emitted in directly by Deepbook V3. This is not a simulation. This is the smart contract confirming that a real limit order was placed on the actual Deepbook V3 order book. The placed quantity is 1 billion. That is 1 Sui in Mist, which is the smallest unit on Sui. The same way Wei is to Ethereum. And the key thing here is this entire transaction contains just one programmable transaction block. All child orders, one block, one signature, one atomic settlement. Either everything lands or nothing does. That is the execution guarantee Aegis provides. So that is Aegis. Thank you.